Check. Yo, what's good? What's good? Good morning, good afternoon, good night. For whatever time y'all watching this, we're gonna do a little something different today. I didn't want to go live today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and record this and post it afterwards. So we're gonna go ahead and do a Sunday recap for the upcoming week of February from the 17th through the 21st. Heads up, Monday, it's President Day, so I will not be trading. All right. If y'all do trade on President Day, just be careful. But yeah, just be careful. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna tell you guys what to do, what not to do. It's you guys do what you want to do at the end of the day. But usually, President Days, it's market usually don't really do much. But again, don't take my word. Just go and back test it yourself. But we're gonna go ahead and get on to it. Excuse me again. I'm doing everything raw. So like literally, you guys gonna be seeing exactly how I just go ahead and prepare myself for the week. So as I'm going through, looking at the chart, looking at the time frames, I'm gonna be talking, and I'm just gonna be I'm gonna go ahead and point at what I'm talking about as I go through. All right, so again, let's get into the video, man. All right, y'all. So from the weekly chart, your boy got a little sip, a little coffee, cause I ain't gonna lie, I just woke up not so long ago. I was up all night yesterday, back testing, but you gotta put in the work, right? All right, y'all. So, alright, let's get it. Alright, so the weekly, again, I do have, what I'm gonna do is better like this. And have both of these puppies, both of these girls, I'll say better. I'll say both of these. Yo, what's good? Top of the morning, good evening, good night, whatever time y'all watching this from. I was thinking about going live, but at the time I woke up, I was like, nah, let me just go ahead and just get this video up there. And yeah, cause I gotta hit the gym in about an hour or two. But yeah, let's get into the video. Today I'm gonna go ahead and do a Sunday recap for the upcoming week of February from the 17th to the 21st. Be mindful that Monday it's President Day. If y'all do trade, be careful. Y'all don't trade, just take it for a day, to spend it with the family or get other things done. Me, I'm gonna be preparing for the week. I'm gonna take Monday for extra day to make sure that I got everything set up. If y'all not following me on Instagram or Thread, make sure y'all do, because I'm gonna be putting up there when I'm gonna be going live in terms of the charts, or any update in terms of what I'm gonna be doing for the upcoming week. Also, reminder, if y'all didn't know, my Discord is up. Or not my Discord, but me and Alfredo Discord is up. He's still out. He's still handling family matters. Hopefully he'll be up either by the middle of the week or next week. But yeah, prayers to my boy and his wife and his daughter. They're right now, a little sick, but I'm gonna keep them in my prayers out as I always do. Again, Discord, link is gonna be in the description. Make sure y'all go ahead and check it out. It's free. What can y'all lose? Just make sure y'all follow everything, all the instructions. And if you have any questions in regard to that, just, again, I got all my social media. I got his social media in there. Hit us up and we'll get back to you as fast as we can. I don't know if y'all can hear the siren. They're going crazy. I live by an area where it's a retired police, like veteran, and also we have a lot of emergency services all around. So let's get into the video, right? Let's get it. All right, so right in front of me I have NQ on my right side and ES on my left side. A little sip, a little coffee, because you know, got mentioned your boys did just woke up, I would say around like 12, so yeah. Facts. So again, I'm doing everything raw, so I haven't really looked at the chart in terms of besides back testing. I was doing I did 2 study cases yesterday, but yeah, make sure y'all check that video out as well. I did put up on, I put it on, uploaded yesterday on Thursday and Friday, so it was like a double header, so make sure y'all check that out. Alright, yo, so on the weekly, again, I trade the hourly, but you know, I like to do a weekly. I like to analyze the weekly all the way down so that I have an idea of what to expect from the market, from either side. And I use the hourly from 10 to 11 because all I'm looking is to see what price is going to be doing for the next hour. And then the 5 all the way to 1 is where I look for my ultimate entry. So yeah, all right, so for the weekly, you guys could see that we did finish running out Tuesday the 21st of January, so that was last month high. You guys can see for NQ we did exactly just that. All right, oops. Yeah, we did exactly just that. And I gotta fix this because if not, my OCD gonna kick in. So 94. Oh man. All right. So clearly you guys can see that we did run out these buy side, right? So what I'm gonna do, leave it like that. We did run out these buy side. Actually, no, I want to go ahead and mark everything so you guys are aware and not get confused. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead, mark these buy side. Go ahead and mark them all the way down. And if we go and look at ES, right, we did trade it above this weekly volume imbalance, but didn't run out the high on the 21st of January like we did on NQ. All right, so I will be looking to see if she will continue bullish and running out these buy side. All right, but again, we could easily just see that, you know, she's basically there, right? So I'm gonna be keeping my eyes on that, because if she do run that out, I will be looking at, you know, the 3 levels which of this wick. We already basically traded to and through the bottom level, and now we are getting close to the 50%, to the high, and so on and so forth. Yeah. Yeah, I do like how we are trading above these. overall, we are respecting this inverted weekly inversion. What's down there? And then what is the low? 895. Yeah, it's raining. I know y'all can hear the rain, but we're gonna do the best as we can. All right. At one point, I was looking at this weekly inversion, but you know, after she traded to and through here, this following candle on the 21st, got traded back up into it, so I lost interest in that. Okay, so yeah. All right. Also, we are still shuffling around this daily inverted FEG. I'm not gonna have too much markup either, because again, I don't want to get confused or anything. I'll confuse myself, I'll confuse you guys, but we are basically above. As you guys can see, we're still above this in daily FEG. All right, so daily inversion 114.25. Okay, I mean, I do also like the fact that aside from us being trading above this daily inversion, we are above this one as well. So very interesting to see what how we're gonna be opening on Sunday. Let's just see. Got all right, a little different on our daily. For ES. Hold on. I know you guys are aware, but you have this is the first time we are visiting this daily inverted FUG after the close on December 18th of last year. So I'm just gonna highlight this area. So what we have here, 22. No, 44 and a quarter. Is it 144 or 244? 244. And a high 184.75. Did I not mark up this? I did. Alright. Alright, so you guys could see that we came upon this daily inverted FG for the first time. So you're gonna see what's in here as we dive lower. I want to go ahead and look at to see what is balanced and what is not balanced. All right. Yeah, compared to you guys, I don't know if y'all can see it. 24. This mouse, man, I'm still getting used to it. And at 24, you guys can see we are above just both of them for ES and NQ. It's just that NQ is a little bit further away, but she is trading above it, same way as ES. Took out some stops here. The rejection that we got on the next one, possibly up there. So let's see what's up. Because like I said, when the next candle open, there's gonna be the next. This is what I'll do better. What is the high here? 147 3/4. I'm gonna leave this one instead, because these are, as soon as the next market, as soon as the next candle open, we're gonna be basically, this daily SIB is already created. Next candle that open, we're either gonna go ahead and merge back into there and then possibly push up higher because we got these equal highs, or not even get it now, in terms of like go to it either Monday or Tuesday or this week, and you know, runs it out next week. Let's see. But I did mark these because these are the nearest liquidity. So let's see what's going on. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave that there. Yeah. Do that. What's up with this, bro? Just diving in to see what is it that we have left to fill. Rejected off the 50% of this daily inversion in Fiji. Not really much down here to, you know, see price retrace into to fail. If you do, it's gonna be very, very I'll say it's gonna be a high resistance. As you guys can see, every time price rally up higher. She did come back down lower and balance that out with buy side, sell side. You guys can see because of the wick. You have this area in here, this 1 hour that at one point, somewhat you guys could say that was getting, you know, a little bit of rejection, but we just traded back up into it, especially after running into this 1 hour. This was Friday. Friday, we took a long position after seeing price opening on in premium at 9:30. Somewhat different for ES. I don't know if you guys can see it. So what I mean by that is that bouncing off this 1 hour in here, go ahead and just mark that up. Bouncing off this 1 hour, buy side efficiency, sell side balance. Make sure that this is, what is the low? 126 and a quarter. Okay, we got that. Yeah, plus I like this because it's trading above our daily inverted FEG. What is the high here? 11, 20, 11, okay, there you go. All right, there you go. I had that marked up. Nope. Just like that. I don't need to be. Yeah, so let's see again. We could either not do anything on Sunday, and then Monday, you know, maybe gap lower to then to gap in discount to then have discount fill in the 9:30 gap and then run out our buy side liquidity or aka equal highs to then go back lower, maybe to these highs, maybe to this BISI in here and reclaim it, and then somewhere in here, maybe not in here but in this wick, have maybe imbalanced price range to then continue going back higher or lower. Let's see again, just looking at both sides of market. You know, it's better to have, you know, two scenarios laid out rather than just one. It's good to be, you know, be ready because you got to learn how to adjust in the market. All right, so compared to so ES compared to NQ, you guys can see it's not really much. Let me see on the. All right, we can see on the 15 we do have it's quite a bit different. If price do willing wants to come back lower, we do have the 15. I don't really have the 15 marked on my chart, but yeah, let's see. I mean, we also do have this 15-minute buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance. Not really much left to filled. So if you do get down there, that I already know that it's just gonna just push them through. Yeah, so I mean, I would like to see that, you know, for ES to take out these highs. 5-minute, we do have some areas that price needs to, you know, balance out. So I mean, first I would be looking to have this 5-minute get traded to and through, and usually I won't be looking for anything until I see price below this daily, because by then it's gonna be around this level here. So I prefer just seeing price below it. We do see a 5-minute inverted FEG here, and then we see another area in here. But again, I wouldn't even panic to be taking a sell, knowing that this is here, just because how price already once came in there. And the amount, again, looking at not the wick but the body of the candle, looking at what's left to be filled. It's you know, we could be looking and seeking to be trading down there, like lower on this area, to possibly balance price, and then continue down lower into these areas down here, you know, pieces by pieces, you know. Very choppy work on the 5-minute. So yeah, so far that's the best that I, you know, that's the best, not the best, but that's what I see right now for both symbol. Let me go ahead and I want to see, I know this is too back, but I want to look at, yeah, I don't know, is it gonna allow me to go? Oh no, it's not. Yeah, so it's not gonna allow me to go all the way back there, so it is what it is. But on the hourly, I mean, on the hourly it do let me go back. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for the upcoming week. Just seeing how we go about, because we could, you know, maybe push a little bit higher, or like I mentioned on ES, if price, you know, do gap in discount, you know, she could be gapping into this 1 hour in here to then rallying higher, taking out these buy side, maybe going out lower, a little bit lower, to then continue going up higher, or just gapping lower at 9:30, filling in the gap on 9:30 to then continue going higher. We do have some area in here. Time was this? 2 p.m. Yeah, so just again the lower quadrant of this 5-minute 5-minute busy buy sign efficiency, sell sign balance, but overall inside of the hourly FEG or busy. So usually that's what I'll be looking for as a first target, to seeing price if she willing to, you know, if she's gonna be pushing lower, I'll be looking at this area here, because again, this area was the last BISI that was created on this daily inverted FEG before going up higher. So I'm gonna be looking into that small little area in there. It's just ranging right now, so yeah, so that's that for these guys. unless she's gonna go ahead and go into let me go ahead and mark this up, and then she's gonna go ahead and gap into premium, which we do have this area, this 1 hour inversion compared to ES. I mean, compared to NQ. That NQ, she did the opposite. 1 second. What is the high? 137. What is the low? 42. There we go. We gotta show you real quick. So this area here, this 1 hour inversion, is this area here. But you guys can see that when ONSP traded below it, price, you know, on Friday she continued going up higher, versus ES that she just, you know, she's still below. You know, she didn't follow up with NQ. So in other words, she was willing to move lower versus NQ moving up on higher. So looking at price going higher, ES was the sixth sister, versus if she was to be going lower, I'll be favoring ES to go lower, again because of what we have here as well. And again, diving in lower into the 5 minute, we do have something in the lower quadrant out here, because you got these sell side. I know for a fact that if we go down lower, you're gonna really have a higher resistance on NQ than ES. She's gonna be more better to be trading to the downside. Vice versa for NQ. If she goes up higher, I'll favor NQ, as you know, find better setups. But again, let's see what happens from here to Tuesday, because that is the day that you're gonna open up the shop. Monday is closed. You're gonna close the shop on Monday. So yeah, let's just see. Again, I'm just giving a quick reference in terms of what I possibly, you know, could be seen on ES and NQ. So let's just see. We got this 5 minute, as I mentioned here. Let's see what happens. 4 p.m. $130. Yeah. Let's see what's up, y'all. Let's see what's up. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna be, you know, painting my eyes to. Above the daily, above this daily inversion FEG, above this daily as well. Volume and balance, equal highs set up. We are still respecting this hourly inversion. 1 second. Yeah, everything is balanced that I see. So that's the reason why if she's gonna go higher, I would like to see her gap and discount to then, push up on higher. Because once she gets in here, if, you know, she could just range or just, become very high resistant. So being so that, I would like to see her be trading above this hourly area rather than just trading in here, because it's going to be very choppy. You guys can see every time she gets in here what happens. She either just ranges or just moves away. Look at this. Alright, so as we mentioned, we have this daily inverted here. We are respecting the 50% of it, and you guys can see how we close in terms of it. Yeah, let's see what we get. But that's all I have for today. I don't really have much. Oh. I don't really have much. So, and I don't want to say too much because again, we have not Sunday. It's not even 6 yet. So market's not even open. So that will be it for me for today. That's all I have in terms of the Sunday recap. Yeah, like I mentioned we closed up high for NQ and ended up respecting the hourly inverted FUG and did run back lower for ES. So that's pretty much it. Again, I am looking to see if ES is willing to take these out. I don't know if she's gonna do it tomorrow. Maybe she should do it on Sunday. Maybe she should do it today when market's open. Maybe she does it on Monday, President Day. Maybe she does it on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe next week. But in terms of her taking that out, I would love to see if she doesn't do it here based off this hourly area. Again, I would like to have, it's gonna have to be done with news or something, because if there's no news and she respect this area or gives a reaction from this hourly BISI inside this inverted 1 hour inversion, coming back in here is just gonna be rangy. Everything is just balanced out in this area, so that's why I want to see it gap into discounts and then try to give that push and build that momentum up to go up on higher, which would then confirm maybe these guys to continue going higher as well, and then trade above this daily inversion. Yeah, you want to keep our eyes very close to it. But yeah, that's all I have. Let's see, because again, I do favor NQ to go, a little bit higher rather than come back lower. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it just like that. I'm about to get ready. I'm about to go eat something. It's leg day, so I'm about to go to the gym, hit some legs, come back home, and finish setting up, my weekly calendar. Yeah, you gotta finish it. And upcoming weekly event calendar, like news calendar, that we gotta update as well. So yeah, this is about it for me today. I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I'm hungry as F. But yeah, that's my upcoming Sunday Sunday recap for the upcoming week. Not a lot, but I did mention a few scenarios that could play out. Again, it's not like it's gonna happen because Sunday's not even out. I don't know how Sunday's gonna open. I don't know how from Monday. I don't know how Monday's gonna be trading. I don't know how Tuesday's gonna be trading. So this is just scenarios that I have in my head. So when the market do open on Tuesday, we can have a better understanding compared to what we said today. And then on Tuesday, when we go ahead and look at the chart back again. So that being said, you guys have a great, blessed day. Hopefully you enjoy your Sunday. But yeah, 5 P's, proper preparation, prayer for performance. Make sure y'all prepare for the upcoming week. And I hope y'all have a blessful trading week. New schedule is already up. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it up on our thread and Instagram so you guys can see it. Make sure again y'all follow me and Alfredo so you guys have a better understanding of what's going on. And again, Alfredo currently out. I'll keep you posted as to when he coming back. So in the meantime, I'm the one right now just putting up updates. So yeah, I'll holla at y'all. Peace.